An increase in the excise tax on cigarettes raises the price of cigarettes by shifting the A. Supply curve for cigarettes rightward, B. Supply curve for cigarettes leftward, C. Both demand and supply for cigarettes rightward, D. Both demand and supply curves for cigarettes leftward. So again, let's take a look at what an excise tax is going to look like. So assuming that the tax is going to be on the seller side, we know it's going to affect the supply curve. It's not going to, I don't think any tax affects both supply and demand, right? And so, sorry, let me get to the draw. Yeah, here we are. So we have our supply curve and demand curve. And an increase in the excise tax is going to be a tax levied on sellers that raises the prices of cigarettes at every single price level of the quantity supplied, or said in other words, it's going to reduce the quantity supplied at every price level, right? And so what that looks like is going to be a leftward shift. Whoa, that's not good. Let me draw it one more time. It's going to be a leftward shift in the supply curve, and the excise tax is going to be the difference in price for the equal quantity supplied for each type of good, right? And so that increase in excise tax is going to be resulting in answer choice B, supply curve for cigarettes shifting leftward. And to add on to that, we would say by the amount that the price, the excise tax is that is levied on the cigarettes. And so let's take a look at the previous tutor's answers. So previous tutor says B, supply curve for cigarettes is shifted leftward. An increase in the excise tax on a pack tax on cigarettes will shift the supply of cigarettes inwards and to the left, increase the equilibrium price of cigarettes, but lowering the equilibrium quantity. Due to a large excise tax on a pack of cigarettes, the supply of cigarettes decreases and the supply curve shifts to the left. And when supply decreases, it creates an excess demand at the old equilibrium price. This leads to competition among buyers, which raises the price. An increase in price leads to a rise in supply and a fall in demand, thus leading to an increase in the equilibrium price of quantity, but lowering of the equilibrium quantity. So again, I think this breaks down kind of a step-by-step shift, but in terms of how do you get from the old equilibrium to a new equilibrium, but I assume you guys probably already know that. I think the focus should be more so on how much is the distance between the previous supply curve and the new supply curve. So the difference between the pre-tax supply curve and the post-tax supply curve is equal to the excise tax amount. And so that's going to be important to note, but otherwise, yeah, good answer. Yeah, and the solution is correct.